Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series. So right now we're actually on part 2 where we're going to be logging into Buncee. If you've already logged into Buncee, then feel free to skip this video. But if not, then let me give you a quick walkthrough. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is head over to www.buncee.com. Once you've arrived at that page, you're going to be on the welcome page. For right now, all that we want to do is go to the upper right hand corner and make sure that we click on the login button. When we hit the login button, it will then bring us to the login page. On the login page is where we're going to be able to type in our username. Once you've typed in your username, click the next button. It will then ask you for the password. Make sure you type your password correctly and then click on login. Once you click on login, it will bring you to the dashboard. This is where you'll see any old Buncee creations that you've created, as well as the option to create a new Buncee. For right now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the create a new Buncee. As soon as we do that, this will bring us to this option where it's going to ask us if we want to start with a template. So for right now, we're going to start out with a blank Buncee. Remember, the editor is broken down into 3 parts. The first part, that is our items list. Any and all items that you create will appear here. So for example, if you had a cool background or add a cool asset from Buncee, like a Buncee sticker or text, it will show up here on this right hand corner. Then in the center, we have our canvas. The canvas is basically where we put out our design. Just like how we would have a piece of paper, this is where any and all of your designs would go. Then all the way on the left hand side, we have our pages. For example, if your design may need an extra page, this is where you can create that extra page. Or in this case, if you're creating a board game and you want to create an extra page for rules, then this can come very, very handy. Now that we've reviewed the editor and we understand how it's broken down, feel free to go to the next tutorial where we're going to get into picking the right background for your game and start building out our game.